Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs of the Mob 2 Pro with the Deebot N10 Plus, so let me show you around. Now the first thing first, the suction power is better for N10 Plus, you're going to have up to 800 PA. Then also Ecovacs got better navigation comparing to the Mob 2 Pro, you're going to have True Mapping 2.0. Then you're going to have, this is like a tie design. Dustbin capacity is better for Xiaomi, you're going to have 450 millimeters. Then you're going to have water tank capacity is better for Ecovacs. The mode function, you're going to have 4 levels of water adjustment that also Ecovacs. Control method, this is like tie there. Then noise level, this really depends, like there is a range for both, so I would have it also for tie. Battery capacity, same thing. Ecovacs is the same for the battery life. The charging time is better for Xiaomi. Then cleaning area per charge, I couldn't get it for the Ecovacs right there. Dust collection, this is something that you have with Ecovacs. Then you're gonna have obstacle crossing. This is something that they didn't get for the Ecovacs, but maybe there is, so I'm not going to say that the Xiaomi is better in this regard. HEPA filtration, you're gonna have the antibacterial filter here, but you're gonna have it also for Xiaomi. Both got zone cleaning, both got voice control, both got some app features. I didn't compare it in this regard, so we have to like research what kind of features you're actually seeking in one or another. So you can just actually see that, okay, with the Mob 2 Pro, what I really like is that the Xiaomi got much better design regards of understanding what are the features comparing to the Ecovacs. This is like the first thing. Now, mapping mode, a smart resume cleaning function, memory of location. So what you can try to do, and this is just my recommendation, is that you can take both reviews and use ChatGPT to summarize the review. So let's say there's going to be a 40-minute video about review of the Xiaomi. Take it to ChatGPT and it's going to create like a summary for you about that video. Now that's pretty much it. So regards it, Xiaomi is better for people for advanced mob features with sonic eyeshade mob and shorter charging time, but Ecovacs better suction power, longer battery life, advanced navigation, large dust bag capacity, and antibacterial filter features. So you see in this regard, it's just like the Ecovacs is like dominating Xiaomi. So, but definitely check the, the reviews of other people, what they are talking about for those products. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.